In this video, I'll show you how to convert Worldcoin to USDT on OKX. After you open the OKX, you open the OKX app like this. Tap on this to convert section. So after you come to this trade button, tap on this arrow. So after you tap on this arrow like this now, it will give you option now to select convert. So as you can see now, here is convert. So make sure to select this convert button. After you select this convert button, by default you'll be able to find this USDT at the top and BTC at the bottom, or any other coin at the bottom. Just tap on the bottom section. So after you tap on this arrow under the bottom, now tap on this search and search for WLD. So now here is it. Now select it, Worldcoin. So after you select the WLD like this now tap on this arrow at the middle. So as you can see now you will convert your Worldcoin to USDT. All you have to do now is specify the amount of the Worldcoin that you want to convert in this option, and you'll be able to see the amount of the USDT you'll be receiving after converting the Worldcoin to it. Just tap on this preview button. After you tap on the preview, it will give you another button which says convert. From there, your Worldcoin will be converted into USDT. If you want to see the amount, just tap on the asset button. After you come to this asset, you'll be able to see the amount of your USDT that you converted from the Worldcoin in this option. And that's it, guys.